Ready to make a splash this summer? Let's talk 2025 swimwear. This year, it's all about bold colors, nostalgic prints, and textured fabrics. Picture yourself rocking neon orange, fuchsia, or cobalt blue, or maybe keeping it soft with pastel fruit-inspired hues. Classic black? It's still a timeless staple. Prints are having a major moment too. Think bold florals from the 70s, polka dots from the 60s, and funky irregular stripes. And don't forget those tropical and nautical themes, perfect for any beach adventure. Now, let's talk styles. The triangle bikini is back and better than ever, whether plain or patterned. High-waisted bikinis and sporty styles are here to stay, offering both comfort and chic. And one-piece swimsuits? They've evolved, with cutouts, ruching, and asymmetrical designs taking center stage. For the boho lovers out there, crochet and textured swimsuits are your new best friends. Details like oversized rings, polished clasps, and metal embellishments are turning minimalist designs into statement pieces. Want a touch of luxury? Beading, embroidery, and floral appliques have got you covered. But the trend doesn't stop at the water's edge. Bikini tops are doubling as regular tops, perfect for pairing with shorts or skirts. And those crochet maxi dresses and linen shirts, they're the ultimate cover-ups. Last but definitely not least, sustainability and body positivity are at the forefront. Brands are using eco-friendly materials and offering inclusive sizing, so everyone can feel fabulous. So, whether you're hitting the waves or just soaking up the sun, 2025 swimwear trends have something for everyone. Dive in and make a splash.